Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your Capital Markets Report. Today is Wednesday, August 6, 2008. Swiss Re, the world's largest reinsurer, has purchased Barclays life assurance arm for £753 million in cash. According to Agence France Presse, Barclays Life Assurance manages some 760,000 life assurance contracts, pension policies, and annuity contracts, representing around £6.8 billion in invested assets. The reinsurer also reported a 53% fall in second quarter net profits to 564 million Swiss francs. According to CEO Jacques Aigrain, the financial market turbulence continues, but despite this, we are strongly capitalized and our investment portfolio remains sound. And staying with capital markets news, Cablevision Systems Corp says it will hire investment banks to help evaluate a spin-off at least one of its businesses. According to Reuters, the statement comes just days after CEO Jim Dolan suggested during an earnings call that the company may explore options to boost its share price. Dolan's comments during the conference call caused several Wall Street analysts to upgrade their ratings on the stock or its price target and lifted shares by as much as 35% in the last week. And in more capital markets news, Italian tire maker Pirelli and Russian Technologies Corp will invest 250 million euros in a tire plant in Russia's Samara region. The plant will have an initial annual capacity of 4.2 million car and truck tires, according to a statement distributed through the Italian exchange today. According to Bloomberg News, Milan-based Pirelli signed a preliminary joint venture agreement with Russian Technologies in June to manufacture tires and sell them in the countries that had been part of the former Soviet Union. And in other capital markets news, drug maker Daiichi Sankyo has won approval from the Indian government to buy Ranbaxy Laboratories for $4.7 billion. Bloomberg News is reporting that Daiichi Sankyo was cleared to acquire 34.8% of Ranbaxy from CEO Malvinder Singh and his family. It will also offer to buy another 20% from investors, according to ICICI Securities, which is managing the tender. The Japanese drug maker agreed to the acquisition on June 11th and to enter the generic drug market, where sales are rising twice as fast as for branded medicines. And that rounds out today's Capital Markets Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our Capital Markets channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.